Earn money, get freelancer jobs in home. First, subscribe channel, click bell icon. Let's start. Number 1, Flex Jobs. This is a very well curated site for not only freelance jobs, but also remote and otherwise flexible gigs. It's sorted by the type of freelance job or otherwise you may want, and you won't have to worry about scam postings, because they research the jobs and monitor new gigs pretty thoroughly. As I'm sure you've guessed, it's not free if you want regular access to their freelance jobs, though. Check out their details right here to see if it's worthwhile for your niche. Hint, it probably is. Slightly smiling face. Number 2, Solid Gigs. As a freelancer, time is money. Which means if you spend hours every week hunting down new freelance jobs instead of doing billable client work, you're missing out on revenue. That's why I personally recommend Solid Gigs to freelancers of all kinds who need to find freelance jobs fast. The team at Solid Gigs, including my good friend Preston Lee, combs through dozens of freelance job boards and sends you the very best 2% of freelance gigs from around the web every single week, removing the time-consuming work of filtering through dozens of freelance job boards and vetting the opportunities yourself. On top of just the curated gigs list each week, they've also got an enormous resource library with courses, interviews, templates, scripts and other tools, all with the focus on helping you land more freelance jobs, negotiate your rates, pitch high-profile clients and grow your freelance business. Seriously, this lethal combination of weekly curated gigs and training resources from top freelancers around the world is a ridiculous steal for the very low monthly cost. Check out Solid Gigs to give it a try today. I couldn't recommend it more highly, and plus, if you use my link and enter the code RYROB at checkout, you'll get your first month for just $2. Number 3, Fiverr. Fiverr gets its name from its site design. Every job starts at $5. It sounds low, but you can set up tiers above the base $5 option, which adds up fast. It's also a great way to get started and build up your portfolio. Number 4, Upwork. Once upon a time, there existed 2 leading platforms for landing freelance jobs, Odesk and Alance. Eventually, their 2 kingdoms combined to create one large peaceful marketplace for people to land freelance jobs from clients all over the world. Enter Upwork. As a result, this freelance jobs site is huge. They have over 12 million freelancers and 5 million clients, listing upwards of 3 million freelance jobs each year. Just about every freelancer can find their niche here, but beware, Upwork takes a 20% cut until you build up a regular relationship with a client. It's very beginner-friendly, but be prepared to take lower-priced freelance jobs through sites like Upwork than you would from the more carefully curated marketplaces that focus on a specific niche. Number 5, Cloud Peeps. If you have a great portfolio and feel like you have the experience to start at a higher level, Cloud Peeps may be for you. They're a bit more exclusive, which makes it harder to join but easier to get jobs if you do get accepted. They focus on marketing, social media, and general copywriting. Worth it to check out. Number 6, Indeed. Indeed collects all the jobs on the interwebs and puts them all in one place. They're easy to search through, and looking specifically for remote jobs is a piece of cake. If you're open to working at a local company, you can search that too. Best of all, it's free. Number 7, College Recruiter. Student or recent grad? Browse this site to see what kind of part-time freelance jobs pop up within your degree. These are going to be great beginner jobs that will get you experience and, hopefully, contacts for future work. Number 8, Freelancer. This site has a huge variety of projects, some formatted as hourly and some as contests. The only downside is that they only give 8 free applications before you have to pay the membership fee. The project fee is also a little different, pay between $3-5 or 3 to 5%, whichever is greater, one of the cheaper commission rates. Number 9, Guru. Guru makes it easy to create a profile that shows off your experience, making it easier to be contacted by potential employers, while also wading through the massive amounts of job postings made every day. They give a decent amount of free applications, rationed by the year, and charge about 9% commission. Number 10, Servicescape. Launched originally back in the year 2000, Service Scale is a global marketplace for freelancers with a range of skills and experience, with an emphasis on graphic design, writing, editing, and translating. To date, they've had over 259,000 completed projects with more than 79,000 clients that have used the platform. Servicecape is a great freelance job website for working with startups and SMBs that are already online outsourcing friendly. So, if you've got the skills and experience, Servicecape is a great place to spend some time and apply to projects that work for you. Number 11. Craigslist. Forget selling your grandma's dusty couch, Craigslist has a pretty great job posting section too. You don't get the security of a site that holds the client accountable, so it's an excellent idea to set up a contract or meet up in person, if possible, but most people posting are looking for work done as quick as possible. Here's a hack: if you want to look through remote jobs, go to the corresponding Craigslist for major cities and search for remote work that way. You're welcome. Subscribe channel, click bell icon for more informative videos. Thank you for watching. Link are available in description.